What if your videos, products, and income could work 24/7 without you being there? That's exactly what's happening in 2026. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a passive income system powered by AI with tools like Synthesia, System.io, Pictory, and TubeMagic. These tools are helping everyday creators automate content, launch products, and earn while they sleep. And if you stick around, I'll also reveal a trick to organize all your content and links in one place, without spreadsheets. Let's start by understanding what passive income really is, and why AI gives you a massive edge. Before we go any further, I want to reset expectations. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the work once, then letting systems handle repetition. AI finally gives regular creators access to the same leverage big teams have used for years: automation, consistency, and scale. All right, let's start with understanding passive income with AI. Passive income is money earned with little day-to-day effort. Think YouTube ad revenue, affiliate sales, or digital products that keep selling. While you focus on creating new things, or just relaxing, but making it sustainable, that's where AI comes in. With the right setup, tools can handle the heavy lifting for you. Content creation, email marketing, video publishing, you name it. You'll want to stick around for the funnel setup part later. Most people overcomplicate it, but there's a super simple way to automate everything using System.io. Here's the mindset shift most people miss. You're not building videos or products. You're building paths. Every piece of content should lead somewhere: a page, a list, a resource, or an offer. AI makes those paths predictable instead of random. Next up, let's dive into the essential AI tools to start with. Let's break down the tools. First, Pictory. It turns your written scripts into high-quality faceless YouTube videos using AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. Perfect for keeping your channel consistent, even when you're offline. Then there's Synthesia. It creates avatar-led videos from text without you needing to appear on camera. Use it for courses, digital products, or explainers, and it looks professional every time. System.io is your all-in-one backend. Sales pages, email sequences, digital downloads, membership sites, it's all built in. You don't need 5 different tools. And to keep your whole content system organized, use TubeMagic. I use it to store my scripts, plan uploads, and give my videos the best optimization with video titles, descriptions, and video tags. It's like Notion, but built for YouTubers. And stick around because later I'll show how I use this exact stack to generate my first $1,000 without posting daily videos. What matters isn't using every tool, it's how they connect. When your script tool talks to your video tool and your video tool feeds your funnel, you stop creating content manually and start running a system. Here's where it gets interesting: monetization strategies with AI. So you've got the tools. Now let's monetize. First, affiliate marketing. System.io makes it easy to build landing pages that promote affiliate tools you already use, like Pictory or Synthesia. Share links in your descriptions and automate follow-up emails. Second, ad revenue. Post consistently with Synthesia and Pictory. They let you publish high-quality videos faster. More videos equals more views equals more revenue. Third, digital products. Use Synthesia to create a course. Post and sell it with System.io. It handles checkouts, emails, and delivery. All automated. This is where most creators stall. They try one monetization method, don't see instant results, and quit. AI monetization works because everything stacks. Ads build trust. Trust boosts clicks. Clicks feed products. Products fuel repeat buyers. Next, let's cover how to engage your audience, so your income doesn't just grow, it compounds. So now let's jump into the next part: keeping viewers hooked. AI helps automate, but human connection keeps people around. Here's how. Use Pictory to cut long videos into short clips for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. These mini videos pull viewers into your main content. With Synthesia, turn blog posts or email tips into quick, avatar-led clips, like mini tutorials. They're great for keeping your channel active. even between long uploads. Then use system.io to build segmented email lists, tag people by what they watch or download, and send personalized follow-ups that feel one-to-one. Retention isn't about length, it's about momentum. Short beats, clear transitions, open loops that actually get closed. AI helps you engineer this instead of guessing. Still with me? Next, let's talk about the content workflow that ties all this together. This next part really saves creators the most time. Building your AI workflow hub. This is where most creators fall off. They don't have a system. So here's how I do it. Plan video ideas in TubeMagic. Write scripts with ChatGPT, write Sonic, or Writer, or import them. Create video in Pictory or Synthesia. Publish, then add links and promos in TubeMagic. Automate emails and product delivery via system.io. This creates a repeatable process where one video can generate content, traffic, and sales again and again. Once this hub exists, you stop asking, "What should I post?" Every step feeds the next. That's when YouTube stops feeling like a grind and starts feeling like leverage. Want to see how it all connects? That's coming up next, my exact setup that runs on autopilot. Let's unlock the next secret, my passive income setup behind the scenes. Now, let's talk about the exact stack to generate your first $1,000 that I mentioned earlier. Let me walk you through on how to use this stack. 1. Write a script with ChatGPT, write Sonic, or Writer. 2. Turned it into a YouTube video with Pictory. 3. Linked a lead magnet inside the description. Posted on system.io. 4. Used TubeMagic to come up with ideas and optimize the videos. 5. Built a mini course in Synthesia, delivered automatically via system.io. That one system now runs on its own. When someone watches the video, they join my list, get value, and sometimes purchase without me being involved every day. Remember earlier when I mentioned generating income without daily uploads? This is it. One asset feeds another. The system doesn't care if you upload tomorrow, it keeps working. Up next, a few smart tweaks that can double your earnings from the same setup. Okay, let's keep it rolling with optimization tricks most creators skip. Here are some tricks that will help you out in the long run. Use A/B testing in system.io to test subject lines and landing page layouts. Let TubeMagic find the best keywords and research videos in order to find out if there's any specific products we can link to. Batch scripts ahead of time so you can create weeks of videos in one go with Pictory. Reuse content across platforms using Synthesia avatars, no reshooting needed. These small tweaks don't take much time, but they can make a huge difference. Optimization isn't about working harder. It's about removing friction. When AI shows you what converts, you stop guessing and start compounding. You can simply just get started by building a landing page using system.io. It can take about 20 minutes. No tech headaches. You don't even need to record yourself. Pictory creates the whole video with just the script. TubeMagic helps a lot with researching, organizing, and optimizing your videos. With Synthesia, you can record a 5-lesson course in an hour, no camera needed. None of these tools require perfection. They reward consistency. Start simple, let the system run, then improve. One thing I want to emphasize before we wrap this up is that none of this requires you to move fast or be perfect. The creators who win with AI aren't the ones doing the most. They're the ones building systems that compound. Every video you publish becomes an asset. Every email you collect becomes leverage. And every small improvement you make stacks over time. If you focus on building once and letting automation handle the repetition, you stop chasing results and start creating momentum that works quietly in the background. If this video helped you out, go ahead and subscribe. I've got more simple, system-based AI income strategies coming your way. In the next video, I'm letting 3 different AI tools compete head-to-head to make me money. And I'll show you which one actually wins. No hype, no theory, just real results and what worked best. And just to be clear, this isn't about chasing hacks or jumping on every new AI tool that drops. The real advantage comes from building one simple system, then letting AI handle the boring, repetitive parts while you focus on decisions that actually move the needle. Most people never fail because they picked the wrong tool. They fail because they keep starting over instead of letting anything compound. That's why in the next video, I'm not just showing tools. I'm showing what actually survives real-world testing, what makes money without constant tweaking, and what's honestly not worth your time. Watch that one before you try to build anything new. See you there.